Hello, how are you today? I thought we'd have a quick run through of Natural Woman by Carole King, the popularised Aretha Franklin version. It's more of a soul-y sort of vibe I'm going for. I recently played this with my band Soul Messengers and a few guest singers at a gig, and I had to learn it, and I thought it was just really, really great, and I already had such a good time playing it that I thought I would have a little YouTube video on it. So, first up, we're going to start here at F. We're going to do a sus4, so we're going to get like this. Hammer off. And then we're going to play a C. 1, 2, 3, 4. And just go. And just a little touch there. So you're going to. And then this here's G. So we've got this D-shaped G. When I first learned, I used to do that a bit. But it was always a real pain in the bum, and then somebody one day showed me you could just do it that way around instead, and I was like, oh my god, this is the best thing ever. And then we've got B, and then F with an A bass, and you can do the little run that the piano has, so we can make it more guitar-y by doing some double stops, so like, really nice. So what we're doing there is I've got my first finger flat on 5. We're going to do a hammer onto 7 and then come off, and then an F there, and E. This is C, see that? With an E bass. Okay? Alright. So it runs through that again. We get C. So little things I did there, classic soul moves. So we've got over the C chord, G, little sus4. Actually stole that from Mark Knopfler. It's in Sultans of Swing. I remember learning that. It's got this really cool riff. It goes something like that. I can't remember exactly. But there you go. Anyway, so always steal things and then put them in things that you wouldn't necessarily associate Dire Straits and Natural Woman, right? But who's ever going to know? Nobody's going to know. You're going to know a little bit. And after a while, even you forget. So then we've got B flat. I did a little 6 in there. Little finger on the second string at the 8th fret. And then our F. And then our rundown. Okay, so that basically happens a few times. Then we have, oh crikey, just 1 second. Alrighty, and we're back. So then we have the pre-chorus. Sorry, I just forgotten there. It's like it's a whole week since I played it, so you know, can't expect too much. We're going to play D minor. D minor 7 I've just played there. So I'm going to play the 5, 4 and 3 strings of that chord. Slide it up. Back down. As we get more into the pre-chorus, you know, as the singer gets more into the run into the chorus, you could actually maybe hit so 5, 5, 4, 3, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. And then we hit Make Me, which is a G, 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 and then we're going to C, chorus, F, 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 C. This is 10, 8, sorry, 10, 9, 8, 8, and 10, 10, 10 on the G, D, G, and B strings, which is just basically an F major triad. So you're getting this 2 and 3 and ba, 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 ba. Absolutely must copy the riff here that the bass plays. We're going to go C, E, C, E, C, A, G, E, D, C, slide. Because it's just, you need that, right? So, you make me feel to C. And you run those verse chords again. You know, you could change how you play. Licks like that at super soul-y. So we've got a 1-1. That kind of thing. And then, so 1 and 1, I'm doing a hammer on the D. And then moving up to 5 and 5 on the G and E strings. This is a really classic. Yeah. Okay, then it goes around twice. There's a bridge. Baby, what you done to me, bit. So we've got C. And then G minor 7. C. And then we get a F major 9. So that's basically 8, 10, 9, 8 underneath. You could make it a major 7, but I like that. And then we're back to C minor 7. And then we do this F major 9, E minor 7, D minor 7, G, 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 and then back into the chorus. We could do the G, G, G like we did here before, if you wanted to be consistent. But whatever, you know, it's on the piano anyway. The guitar's not really playing these things. It's really just an arrangement of what's happening. Okay, so that little section again, we've got bridge, and then G minor 7. I did a run there before actually, I just remembered. So one of my favourite ones, we play G, C, slide it up. You can do something like that. It's just up C major. G minor again. And then we're going to go up to the F, C minor 7. Nice always to put your little finger. I know it's harder. It sounds more awesome. And then we go back to the F major 7. 1, 2, 3. And then E minor 7, 7th fret. D minor 7. And like I said, we could go to the G here. C. And that just keeps going. Okay, so there's a whole bunch of chords in that. I hope that has been useful for you. I know it's a bit of a random thing to do a piano song on the guitar, but it's just such a classic song, and it sounds so beautiful that it's almost impossible not to do. I think you would agree. Please subscribe for regular videos. There's a new one every Saturday. If you're interested to see what I'm playing, there's links in the description to all the stuff, including this beautiful Japanese Sonic Blue Telecaster. I also use this clever thing called the Boss WL20, which is basically a wireless guitar situation. As you can hear, it sounds absolutely fine. It's been great in my teaching room. I was forever trampling over leads and stuff, and now I don't anymore. It's awesome. Okay, I will see you later. Don't forget to click the notification bell for regular updates. And thanks for watching. Hope this was a good video for you. If you have any comments or whatever, please just post them and I'll try and answer. Lovely job. Cheers. Bye.